We need to assemble. Drop side truck. Hooray! Help the car reach its destination. Pull the lever down to clear the way. Pull the lever down to lower it. Keep up the good work. Build a formwork for the walls. We need to wash. Drop side truck. We have to assemble concrete pump. Done! Now we need to fill it. Concrete pump. Amazing! Fill the pool walls. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. You're doing really great. We need to assemble. Drop side truck. Ready. Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Tap on all the objects to clear the way. Tap on a suitable tool. Keep up the good work. Lay the tiles. We need to wash. Drop side truck. We need to assemble. Crane truck. That's all. It's time to fuel. Crane truck. Hooray! Make the arbor frame. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. That's all.